Hello and welcome to this introductory video for the AE model frog power control for DCC. Traditional solenoid turnout motors often have a real shortcoming. They are not equipped with a way to reliably change the polarity of a turnout frog unless you buy an expensive mechanical switch to add to them, which in turn means harder installation, and because of the added load when the turnout changes, operation becomes less reliable. The AE Frog Power Control Unit fixes these problems economically with 100% success and almost zero effort. Even better, unlike other frog juicers, there is no need for added soldering. Getting started is an easy and straightforward process, and the Frog Polarity Control Unit is compatible with many different brands of points on the market. We have used a Peco Electro Frog point for this demonstration, and we have also wired it up as per Peco's instruction to ensure more reliable running later on, but it will work with the points right out of the packet. If you would like more information on how you can wire up your points to be more reliable, do check out our website for the full guide. Setting up your FPC really is as easy as 1, 2, 3. You simply remove it from the packaging, place it somewhere you want on your layout, either underneath or on top of your baseboard. You wire one side of the track polarity to one of the R terminals. You then wire the other side of the track polarity to the remaining R terminal. And finally, the wire which comes from your frog, illustrated here with a green wire, simply connects into the F terminal. This is for frog. Once finished, you should have something which looks a little bit like this. Now do be careful not to turn the screws too tightly for the terminals, as this can cause damage. With your Frog Polarity control switch now installed successfully, you can enjoy far more reliable running than ever experienced before, with minimal headache. As you can see with this little locomotive, you can see the benefit of having a powered frog with the correct polarity, and not having a powered frog with the correct polarity. As you can see, the locomotive stalls. And as you can see, once the FPC unit has been installed, the locomotive crawls across point work with absolute confidence and supreme reliability. Whether you decide to operate your points manually or indeed with a solenoid point motor, the Frog Polarity Control Unit operates flawlessly every single time. AE model Frog Polarity Control Units are available in single, triple and 6-packs and are compliant with all regulated DCC systems. For more information on installation and compatibility, please consult our website at dccconcepts.com. We hope you enjoyed our showing you our Frog Polarity Control Unit today, and we hope to see you again soon. Take care and thanks for watching.